Hi, I'm Mike at HD Lawn Care and it's December the 24th, so I want to show you what you should have been doing to your lawn to keep it good into the winter. You should have been doing your turf hardening, getting your iron down, getting your autumn granular feed down. We've pushed this lawn a little bit with our foliage feeds using our MV product. That's why we're doing this work right up to December the 24th, because it will reward you in the spring and keep it healthy and keep that foliage and stop the dieback and stop the worm cast, all these things. Okay, so this lawn was mowed 10 days ago. It's still got its stripes hanging in there, but it's not about the stripes, not this time of year. It's about the quality of the sward of grass. So you should have been getting your iron on and doing your work. If you haven't done it yet, you can still do it. Get that iron on, a little bit of nitrogen, low dose, get your granular feed. We use Boston's Kiss My Grass autumn granular feed on here. It's absolutely incredible, so you need to keep doing that work. If the temperatures are not freezing the next day or for the next couple of days, get those liquid feeds on. It doesn't cost a lot of money, but it makes a huge difference. Look at the sward of the grass, nice, thick, dense. Blow your lawn, clear your leaves, that's all you had to do. Get your nitrogen, small dose, granular feed, and get that iron down. Change the pH of the soil. We've done very well with worm casts here, and that's because we've been literally till 2 weeks ago, we were still applying NV feed and foliage feeds from Boston Seeds. When you look from above on the grass, you'll see how dense it is. That's the true way of telling the quality of the lawn and the health of the lawn. I'm gonna move that and you can just see we cut it at about 30 to 35 millimeters. We raise our cut up in the winter because that's what we like to do. That sward is healthy, strong, thick. It's been protected from grubs. It's had a professional Aceprillion treatment, so we know we're good for next year. We are in good shape for next year, and you should be too. If you followed what we've been saying, you'll get in this shape. It's about the soil. It's not just about feeding from above. Change the soil, get the soil working for you. Okay, so we're going to show you a comparison. This is healthy. You've seen the sward of grass, thick, dense, lush, healthy, everything. We've been doing this all year, right up till 2 weeks ago. And this is the verge that doesn't get that much love and attention. And look at the difference. This area, the front verge at Nick's, wasn't treated enough, didn't have the turf hardening, and that's the difference. If you are suffering, do it now, as long as it's not freezing the next day, next couple of days. So from a very freezing cold, windy December the 24th, 2025, thank you for all the love, really appreciate it. Merry Christmas to you all my fellow lawn nerds. It's been fantastic. Thank you for the support, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Really helps the channel. Big shout out to Mushy, thank you, and Lee Fenton. Enjoyed speaking with you on the YouTube chat. Thanks again, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. May your long gods be with you. God bless.